Tired of being the only one who can manage your Jira board? Here's how to add a board admin in under 2 minutes. We'll open your project, find the board settings, and change a user's role to administrator. Let's go. So let's start with the first step. You're going to open up your Jira account. Just log in like you normally would. Nothing fancy here. Now, on the left side panel, you'll see a list of your projects. Go ahead and click on the specific project board you want to work with. This is the board where you need to share admin privileges. All right, once you're inside that project, look up at the top of the screen, near the board's name. You'll see 3 little dots right next to it. Click on those 3 dots. This is where the magic starts. A drop-down menu will appear. You want to click on Space Settings. I know it says space instead of project or board, but Jira uses that term a lot, so just go with it. We're in the right place. Now you'll see a left side panel inside these settings. Click on Access. This is where you manage who can do what on your board. And here's the important part. You'll now see a list of all the people you've added to this project. It shows their names and their current role. Maybe some are viewers, maybe some are members. But right now, none of them are administrators. Look closely at each person's row. You'll see their role listed there. It might say viewer or member. That's what we're about to change. To assign someone as an admin, click on that drop-down menu next to their current role. It's a small button, but it opens up all the options. From the drop-down list, click on Administrator. That's it, just one click. The change saves automatically. You don't need to hunt for a save button or confirm anything. It just updates right there. So now that person has full admin access to your board. They can manage permissions, adjust board settings, add columns, change workflows, all of it. You are no longer the only person holding the keys. I've tested this process myself on a real Jira project, and it's the same every time. It takes maybe 30 seconds once you know where to look. And that's really all there is to it. You've just handed off admin control in under 2 minutes. No more being the bottleneck, no more getting interrupted for every little board change. You can focus on your own work, and your teammate can handle the rest. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and delegate that admin access. You'll be glad you did.